grimlock0807, and there's a lot of noise in the background from a movie. Before I start the review today, I don't know if you guys been to my new channel or not. I have 3 of them. This one, grimlock0807. That one's more just like, I don't know, everything. Stop motions. Used to do toy reviews, so I did this channel. And I don't know, just comedy. I don't know. And then I have another channel I just made called Spider-Man 97, 97, 97 1. And that channel is going to be more about comic books, TV shows. It'll have like action figures in it, but not really a review on them. Like just like, hey, this figure's out, or yeah, pretty much it. It's more updates on stuff, or a review on a show or something. Like, if you want to see a review on Smallville Season 10, I will giving all of the, pretty much everything about, talking about Smallville Season 10. Yeah, if you enjoy the comic books or TV shows, check out my new channel. We'll see more good TV shows, like awesome TV shows. Not just any TV show. Like Smallville, I don't know, Fringe, stuff like that. And good movies also, like Super 8, Spider-Man, Transformers, yeah, etc. Today's review is this guy. I do not know his name. I had him like, for a long time, like, kept on losing pieces of him. Pieces like his tail kept on losing that, kept on losing his hand and everything. Finally, well, not for a while actually, but I finally got his pieces all together, and now I'm doing the review on him. Yeah. I think these guys from like Transformer Universe series, the original Universe series before they started getting like the Universe series with Starscream, all the G1 guys. There was like a Beast Wars Universe series. It's kind of weird. Yeah, I think his name's Snarl. I'm not sure. Yeah, he's like a wolf / cyborg thing. And you can see like his face like a blue eye thing. The other side of his face like a robot, red eye. And then right here, you can see this thing right here. Spin it, claws. So robot stuff right under there. Little robot pipes. And you see the feet are different. This one's more fur and stuff. This one's more robotic. See that? His back. That's the only problem with it. This figure is the back's kind of weird. Okay, I don't know if I'm doing it right or not. Pretty sure I am. Yeah, it's kind of weird. Its tail. That's really loud back there. I think it is. You can see her different also on that one. Moving on. And he's moving right here. Then he's all the way around. Oops, that's off. That's another problem. Sometimes pop off. Something like that. A lot of movement. Yeah. Feet bend. Back legs. That's his tail. Head has pretty good flexibility. Side to side, up, down, all around. That's pretty it. Transform now. See how to transform. Yep. He's not that hard to transform. It's more to transform into the wolf. It's the hard part. It's not too hard though. There's all noise in the background. Same. It must be the Transformer War. It's coming to us. Trying to take all my figures away. They can't take away my Optimus Prime toy. No, I'm just kidding. Or was I? Yeah. I think that's it right there. Yeah, I think that's how you do it. Something like that. Can't say it again. Yeah. Zoom in? No. There's him. Same thing on the moon with the head, that whole thing. Actually, I just watched the seasons 2 and 3 of Beast Wars. He looks just like the second Dinobot, the clone of him. His face. Yeah, it's just all like robotic / fur, all ripped up and everything. Legs. His big giant claws are there. His little miniature hand. And his big giant arm. Saw thing in it. Oh, I forgot. It's covered up before. Separate outside. Pretty cool. His back. You can transfer this in his mouth right there. This guy. Or you can put it in this guy's hand. Yeah. Whoa, if I shoot! It's my last breath! You pretty much can bend his arm like this, that, bend this up, same thing with the head, roll around, and saw, same thing with the feet, same movement, and move his head around. Yeah, that is pretty much it. He is pretty cool. I'm pretty happy about him.